Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the Math World Knowledge. Today, Math World Knowledge start chapter number 11, Period of Trigonometric Functions, FSC ICS Part 1, chapter number 11. The basic definitions of this chapter: period of trigonometric function and periodicity. Dear student, first we identify what is period and what is trigonometric functions. First of all, period. The definition of a period: P-E-R-I-O-D, period. A periodic function is a function also defined as a periodic function. A periodic function is a function that repeats its value at regular interval. At regular intervals. Like x plus p is equal to f of x. Here p is any non-zero constant f of x is the any trigonometric function. Any trigonometric function. All the functions that are the symbols of trigonometric function, like sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. These are the 6 trigonometric functions. Any function in which sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot involve, that type of function is called the trigonometric function. Now the proper definition of period of trigonometric function. Period of trigonometric function defined as the smallest positive number, the smallest positive number which when we add it to the original circular measure original circular measure of the angle gives the same value of the function is called period of trigonometric function. Dear student, also defined as sine 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. Student, 2 pi, you know, this one is a real line. Now this is that point origin. Now we circulate it. This one like a circle, and if we can start at point 0, we can start at point 0 like as create or some distance, it covers some distance as like a circle. So when it completes one rotation, so at this time angle is 180 degree, and at this time angle is 90 degree, at this stage angle is 270 degree, and when it completes its one revolution, so its angle is 2 pi. First, if 2 pi add with some angle theta, like as 2 pi plus theta, so it gives its original value sine theta. In this way, the period of sine function is 2 pi. Also, the same scenario can be used in the period of cos function. Cos 2 pi plus theta, so the answer is again cos theta. 2 pi, this stage is the 2 pi. We can add 2 pi plus theta, it means the first quadrant. You know, in the trigonometry, already understand in chapter number 10, in which we can already understand the first quadrant, in which all trigonometric functions sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cotangent all are positive. So in this way 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. Here the period of cos function is 2 pi. Also sine, cos, tan, while sine, cos, secant and cosecant has the same period, but when we discuss the period of tan function is pi plus theta, because pi, this one is the value at a pi, when we can start from 0 to this stage, pi plus theta, so the angle is third quadrant. You know, pi plus theta, so the answer is tan theta. Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, so the third quadrant tan is positive. In this way, when we can use for the function of cot, already cot pi plus theta, so the answer is cot theta, because the angle lie in third quadrant. You know, at the third quadrant the angle is cot and a tan, both are a positive in the trigonometric functions. So that here cot theta is the original value. When we can add theta with pi, so the answer is again original value. It means that at this stage pi plus theta, so the answer will be positive, no change. So this is the period of that function, like as sine. This one is the first quadrant, 2 pi plus theta, which is the period of sine function and cos function. Also secant and cosecant function. While we can understand easily the periodic function as like tan and cot, 2 pi pi minus theta, sorry, pi plus theta. In this way, this equation understand pi plus theta. First of all, we can understand pi plus theta like as this one, pi plus theta, so the answer is tan theta, and cot pi plus theta, so the answer is cot theta. So the value already repetition of the similar properties. In this stage the periodic function have the same value, no change. The positive number, which when we add it to the original circular measure of the angle, which gives the same value, no change, same value, cos theta, which is equal to cos theta, sin theta, which is equal to sin theta, tan theta, which is equal to tan theta, and cot theta is equal to cot theta, no change, because pi is the sum value, pi plus theta, so the answer is cot theta. In this way we can understand this phenomenon is known as the periodicity. Now we can define the definition of periodicity. Now we can define the periodicity. What is the periodicity? Periodicity is the fact of something happening, is the fact of something happening at regular spaced periods of time. This is the definition of periodicity, because this is the fact theta or 2n pi. So another definition, the tendency the tendency or a quality or a fact of running, a fact of recurring recurring at regular interval, known as the periodic